you had a wonderful week. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me, darling, and thank you so much for coming back. Please remember to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. So in today's video, guys, we're starting off at my daughter's graduation. She graduated this week, guys, and I am a proud mother. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of her for making it this far, guys. So I'm just going to take you through what transpired that day onwards. I hope you enjoyed the video and kindly stick till the end, and I would really appreciate that. Enjoy.
I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
Congratulations to my little girl. She was looking forward to this day. She was really waiting for it. It was all she could talk about like the whole weekend. It finally came. She had a lot of fun. I mean, it was her day. Damn. And she did enjoy herself. Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me, guys. I hope your week was good, and I'm hoping your weekend is also fine. Today being a Saturday, I'm taking my kids to the hospital once again. Baby Andrea, say hi, guys. Hi. Andrea. Baby Andrea is not doing so well. She had a fever all through the night, so I'm taking her to the hospital, and maybe from there we'll see where else we'll go, guys. So I'm just going to take you guys along with me to the hospital, and then I can't promise that I'll be able to vlog all throughout, but I'll try my best. Let's enjoy, guys.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack.
Sorry, guys, we are not allowed to vlog in the hospital, so I couldn't vlog anything they don't allow. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, we're heading back home. We'll see you when we get home. Hi guys, how are you? It's me again. So guys, I took my kids to the hospital, and then I came back to a big surprise from my hubby. Like, wow. Baby, if you're watching this, thank you so much. Like, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. So guys, I took the kids to the hospital, and when I came back, he had bought me a new fridge, which is something I've been wanting for quite a while, because I have a small one. I had a small one, which I still have, but he bought me the one that I wanted, and I'm so happy, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'm just going to show you guys, because I just came back and I found it in the house. Like, wow, I was surprised. You got me there. So guys, this is how the fridge looks like. It's big, it's the color that I wanted. I just love everything about it. It is spacious. One thing I like about it, it's spacious. The one I had was so small. I was really struggling, like I couldn't put in a lot of stuff because there was no space, there was no room to put in more stuff. Anyway, this is how it looks like on the inside, and I'm just so happy. At least now I can be able to cook meals like for longer period of time and not worry about anything. Hi
Next
guys,
day.
good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're not already subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me, darling. I really appreciate it. Please remember to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, guys, it's all about laundry motivation and a little bit of cleaning. I won't be doing deep cleaning today, just be doing a little bit of it. But the most interesting part is that I get to clean my fridge today, guys, and I'm so happy about it. Anyway, schools have closed, so kids are on a holiday, so expect to see all my children around. I hope you don't mind them. I can say hi. Tell them welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Smile, mama, smile. Andrea wants to say hi. Say hi, mama. Say hi. Come here, come here. Hi, baby. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the today's video, and please watch till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below. Enjoy. So guys, before I start doing my laundry, I pre-soak especially the children's clothes, because some of them normally have stains that cannot be removed by the machine. So I pre-soak them overnight, and then in the morning I get to put them in the machine, and then they come out clean. So if you're struggling with that, maybe you should try these and then see the results, because it really works for me and I really love the results that I get. So these ones are the children clothes that I pre-soaked yesterday, and then those ones are the white clothes that I had to pre-soak in bleach. I pre-soak them first before I put them in the washing machine, just to try and get a little bit of that off and make it easier for the machine. Anyway, guys, so this is all we're doing for laundry today. I've already put the dark clothes in the machine. It's already running. Let me just show you. It's already running. Dark clothes are already running inside, so actually it's almost finishing the circle. And then I'll put these ones. These ones are the heavy trousers and some few jackets. So after the dark trousers are done washing and sweaters, I'm going to put on these ones next, and then after that is before I put the kids' clothing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let's enjoy, guys. So these are the white clothes that I had soaked in the bleach earlier. Most of them were kids' clothes, and they were filled with a lot of stains and mud because of the graduation day, and I had to hand wash some of them just to try and get the mud off before I put them in the machine. And it worked for me, because the stains were able to come off, and the machine did the rest of the job. yeah, I'll not be doing deep cleaning today. I'll just be doing a little bit of cleaning around the area just to remove the dust and to make sure that the house is clean and neat before we continue with everything else. I hope you're still enjoying the video, guys. If you've watched till here, thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you stick till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Kindly like, comment and share the video. Let's keep on enjoying, guys.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing.
Guys, my kitchen is really small. I don't even know how to arrange it yet. Like everything is just everywhere, as you can see. If you've seen my previous videos, I'm sure you've seen how this place used to look like before. Maybe I might just attach a photo to show you guys how it used to look like before, and this is how it is right now. It is so full. This is all the space I have left. Even the other side is also very crowded. I honestly don't know what to do with this place. I'm still trying to think of how to arrange it. So hopefully by the time I end this vlog, I would have figured something out because it's really small. Anyway, here is our new fridge. I want to start cleaning it now. As you all know, I cannot use it today until tomorrow. They said 48 hours, so I have to wait until tomorrow for me to turn it on. So for now, I'm just going to clean it, removing all the tapes and all that stuff. Yeah. And then maybe tomorrow is when we can turn it on and start using it. And that will not be on this vlog. Maybe it will be in another vlog because I have to end this vlog today so that it can go down tomorrow. So this is how it is before cleaning, guys. Let's start the cleaning process. And maybe we'll figure something out. We'll figure something to do and how to arrange this kitchen. Or if you have any ideas, please help. Let's enjoy.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit, I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you.
So I went ahead and did the rest of the cleaning offline, guys. My battery died, but this is how the fridge looks like after cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please remember to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys. You can also like, share and comment down below. So next we're just going to prepare something for us to eat. Till then, enjoy. Thank you so much for making it this far, guys. I really appreciate your support. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. This is it from this vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the entire video, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Enjoy your week. Bye bye.